Hello everyone! In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet Stella's snowflake. For more information, including pattern links, please check out the description box below in the drop down. Thank you so much for watching. Now let's get started. For materials and video purposes, I'm using a small amount of worsted weight yarn. You can use any yarn or thread you like for this pattern, and just make sure the hook is appropriate for the yarn. Today I'll be using a G 4.25mm crochet hook. You will also need a pair of scissors and a yarn needle for weaving in ends. To begin, create a slip knot of your choice. Now chain 4. Slip stitch to the first chain to form a ring. Insert your hook, grab your yarn and pull it through, and then through the loop on your hook. Round 1, chain 3. Now double crochet into the ring. To double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the ring, grab your yarn and pull up a loop. We have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the second 2 loops. Now chain 2. From here we're going to start a repeat. The repeat is going to be double crochet 2 into the ring and chain 2. So double crochet 2, chain 2. Repeat this a total of 5 times. Once that is finished, I'll meet back up and show you how it's looking. So here I am at the end of round 1, and the chain 3 at the beginning of the round counts as our first double crochet. So now we have 6 sets of 2 double crochet with a chain 2 separating each one. After you have done your last chain 2, you want to slip stitch to the top of your chain 3. Now we're ready to begin round 2. Chain 1 and single crochet into your first stitch and the top of this chain 3. 2 single crochet, insert your hook, grab your yarn and pull up a loop. I have 2 loops on my hook, yarn over and pull through both loops. Then single crochet into your next double crochet. Chain 3. Now we're just going to continue in this fashion all the way around. Into each double crochet, we're going to place a single crochet. So 2 single crochet separated by a chain 3. So again, 2 single crochet and chain 3. Once this round is complete, I'll meet back up and show you how it's looking. So here I am at the end of round 2, and I have my single crochets all separated by a chain 3. The last thing you want to do is slip stitch to the top of your first single crochet. For round 3, we're going to start with a beginning pop stitch. A beginning pop stitch, you start with a chain 3 and into the same stitch that we slip stitched into down here, we're going to place 4 double crochet. This chain 3 is going to count as our first double crochet. So after we've finished the 4 double crochet, we will have a total of 5 double crochet. Now remove your hook from the loop and insert it into the top of the chain 3. Grab your loop and pull it through, and then chain 1 to secure the pop stitch. Next, we're going to pop stitch into the next single crochet. A regular pop stitch is 5 double crochet. Then again, remove your hook from the loop, insert it into your first double crochet, grab the loop, pull it through, and then chain 1 to secure the pop stitch. From here, chain 2 and single crochet into your chain 3. You can just loop right around that chain 3. Chain 2 and then place 2 pop stitches, 1 into each single crochet. chain 2, single crochet into your chain 3, and chain 2. We're going to be repeating this all the way around. So pop stitch into each single crochet, then chain 2, single crochet into your chain 3, chain 2, and repeat. Once this round is complete, I will show you how it's looking. At the end of round 3, slip stitch to the top of your first pop stitch. To begin round 4, slip stitch into the space between your first 2 pop stitches. And chain 3 for your first double crochet. Then double crochet down into the same space between those pop stitches. This is going to be the startup of a point, so once we come back around, we're going to complete this point. From here, chain 2, half double crochet into this single crochet down here, 2 half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the single crochet, grab your yarn and pull up a loop. We have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Chain 2, and then we're going to place 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet all into this space between our pop stitches. So 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 more double crochet into the same space. So this is that point. So over here we started a point and we're going to finish it when we come back around. From here we're just going to repeat. So from here we're going to chain 2, half double crochet into the single crochet here, chain 2, and then do a point. Once this round is complete, I will show you how my work is looking. So here I am coming back around and this is how my work is looking. The last thing you want to do for round 4 is to place 2 more double crochet into that same space where we started off. Chain 2 and slip stitch to the top of your chain 3. To begin round 5, chain 1 and single crochet into our very first stitch. Then picot. To picot, you're going to chain 3 and slip stitch into the top of your previous stitch here, or into your very first chain. What I like to do is actually slip stitch and grab the 2 side loops of my single crochet. So I'm going to just go like this and then slip stitch. Next, you're going to single crochet into the next stitch and picot again. Chain 3 and slip stitch. From here, chain 2 and single crochet into the top of your half double crochet. Then chain 2, and then into our 2 double crochet here, we're going to single crochet picot, single crochet picot. Then single crochet, chain 6, single crochet into the chain 2, then single crochet picot 2 times. Now from here we're just going to repeat this all the way around. So our next move is going to be chain 2 and single crochet into that half double crochet. So chain 2, single crochet into the half double crochet, chain 2, single crochet picot, single crochet picot, then single crochet, chain 6, single crochet into the chain 2, then single crochet picot 2 times. So here I have come back around to the end of my work and chain 2, and then I'm just going to single crochet picot into these last 2 stitches. Then single crochet and chain 6, single crochet into the top. Then just slip stitch to the base of your first stitch. Then fasten off. Just snip your yarn and pull that tail through the last loop on your hook. From here you can just grab your yarn needle and sew in all your ends. Blocking and stiffening is pretty simple. The blocking boards and pins I like to use will be linked in the description box below. Well, that is all for this tutorial. I hope you enjoy making Stella's snowflake. Thank you so much for watching, commenting, sharing, liking, and subscribing. Have a lovely crochet day, and I hope to see you again in my next tutorial. Bye!